Hello folks and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be touring you around another condominium unit here in Uptown BGC in Park Suites Tower 2. It's a 2-bedroom unit at 70,000 pesos, pretty well priced, and I think it's furnished very well. But before we jump into the condominium tour, an unexpected guest appears once again in the videos. Yes. This guy hasn't left. He's still here. And the reason why he's still here is because his flight got cancelled. So he's been hanging around since yesterday. Yeah, just couldn't wait. So Justin's going to be joining me on this tour. We're going to look at this unit, but we just got to wait around for like a couple minutes. But earlier we just saw a unit located on 30 plus floors high, and it looks like it's a combination of two Park Suites units. It's like 65 meters plus 65 meters, which is about 130, plus another 20 square meters because of the way the hallway is positioned, etc. So it's like 140 square meters. And you've got a view of Uptown and Ortigas and Rockwell. It's insane. It's got 2 balconies, almost 2 living spaces. The kitchen is humongous. I've never seen such a big kitchen in one of these units. I want to tour you around that. It's unfurnished. The asking price is 170,000 pesos. But I need to find out the details so I can tour you guys around. Okay folks, welcome to the first unit in today's video. I think I'm going to be showing you a couple. The first one is furnished, the other 2 I think will be unfurnished. And as I mentioned before, this is a 2-bedroom at 60 square meters. The asking price is 70,000 pesos. When you enter through the door, you've got the dining table on the left right away and the living space combined in one. A really nice dining table here with some very comfortable and stylish chairs. Look at that. Oh, and they swivel. Wow. There's a bespoke canvas painting on the wall from Noah Pascal. Ooh. 2020 with a nice grey frame in the center. A central chandelier with these halo rings hanging from it in the pendant style. The kitchen is on the right here in the square shape. It's got an oven, a stove, your cabinets there with a microwave and a washing machine. Opposite it is a pretty big fridge from Whirlpool. Look, it's 2 doors. Wow, looks very advanced. And so does this washing machine from Whirlpool. Next to the kitchen is a common bathroom for the first bedroom, which is located through here. The wardrobe is positioned on the right. We've got a bed here with 2 bedside tables, 2 lamps, a nice set of curtains featuring sheer curtains too. The blackout curtains are of this silver color here. And then this is the living space, quite compact, but me and Justin were sitting on this earlier. It's a leather sofa. I think it might have leg rests. Yeah, look at that. Woo, that's cool stuff. And yeah, actually the TV is of a good size. It's not too big where like you have to be searching around the entire TV to know what's going on. I think they've done a good job matching the TV for the amount of space available. But then next to it is a window. Not much of a view because there's another tower next to it there. I think that's Park Suites Tower 2. And this is Tower 1. So this unit doesn't feature any balconies. There's also some spotlights here, add an additional light. I don't know why this isn't on. I really do like this table that they've got positioned in the corner. Super stylish and elegant. And these panels in which you see are actually mirrors. And in the corner are some really nice artificial plants. I believe they're artificial. Stepping through here, we enter the master bedroom, which is the 2nd bedroom of the unit. Now, I've seen in a few other condos, and what would be a really good idea is to position a TV on here or mount it to the wall, so you could watch TV from the bedroom. The master bedroom is set up in a similar style to the 1st bedroom, where you've got 2 bedside tables, 2 lamps, a set of curtains, wood sheer curtains and blackout ones, but the blackout curtains here feature this really nice textured pattern. At the end of the bed, we've got a set of drawers here for storage. 2 sets of wardrobes, so you've got a built-in wardrobe, another separate wardrobe here, just in case you needed more space. And the ensuite for the bedroom. A pretty big bathroom, I'd say. Features 2 sinks, 1 giant mirror, and on the other side, there's the bathtub. Okay, just to summarize, this was a 2-bedroom unit at 60 square meters. The asking price, 70,000 pesos. If you're interested in this unit, contact the email in the description. Now, let's move on to the 2nd unit. And it also has internet installed from Globe. Okay folks, welcome to the second unit, which is at 80 square meters, unfurnished. The asking price is 65,000 pesos because there's no furniture in it. And it's pretty big. It's really nice. The living space is here. Where Justin's standing is the kitchen area. The living space has one balcony, which we'll show you now, with an air conditioning unit out here and a view over this part of Manila. You've got Mitsukoshi Mall down there, and we're on the 40th floor right now. It's pretty high up. And the thing is, I know a lot of you viewers want a unit with balcony, and this unit features two balconies. So there's one there, and there's another one in the master bedroom. So this is the first bedroom here. Integrated wardrobe on the left. All the air conditionings in this unit are non-inverters, so electricity bill is going to be pretty low. This is the master bedroom, and as I mentioned earlier, it also has a balcony with two air conditioning units out here. So if there's two of you living in this unit, one of you gets the balcony in the bedroom, and the other can use the other balcony in the living space. And again, pretty good views. That's the Grand Hyatt right there, and you can actually see the peak. A rooftop bar located on the tallest building in Manila, or the Philippines, I should say. This master bedroom is of a good size. There is a shared bathroom. None of them have an ensuite, right?
Oh, it's just one bathroom?
It's just one bathroom, but it has a bathtub, and it's massive. Look how big that is.
Yeah.
Are you seeing it? There is one sink, one giant mirror. I like it. They all have ovens.
One beds in studios, at least the ones I've seen, don't have ovens.
I know. 2 beds and up have an integrated oven. This is nice. I really like that they don't have any cabinets hanging from the wall. So it's an open space. You can look right out onto the bedroom.
And the maid's room is quite...
Oh, I haven't seen the maid's room. Wow. It's big. It's very big. Let's turn off that ventilator. There we are.
Yeah.
Why do they have to have a maid room?
Because don't a lot of people have live-in maids? Or I use it just to like dry your clothes and...
Have a bedroom.
No, because the bedroom, the difference in a bedroom and a bedroom is a window.
Huh?
I thought that was my understanding.
What?
A bedroom has to have a window.
Okay, so we toured you quickly through this unfurnished unit because there's not a lot to see, it's empty space. But if you like the layout of this unit, it's at 80 square meters. The asking price is 65,000 pesos. Contact the email in the description if you're interested in this unit. Okay folks, I'm in the Uptown Food Court grabbing some dinner. But we toured 2 units. I also managed to tour an exclusive unit that I'm gonna put on my Patreon in the next couple days. It's insane. You really want to check it out. And if you're interested in any of the units in which you saw in today's video, make sure you hit the email in the description below. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, and share with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye for now.